This is the Mi Band 5 and today we are going to unbox it to see what we get. The unboxing experience is quite similar to the other Mi Bands like the Mi Band 4 that I recently unboxed, so you're not going to expect anything different. Hey guys, what's up? This is Philip's Future. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech content just like this one. And a huge thanks to Mi Store Kenya for sending this one out for unboxing and review. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. You get this black box with the band's version on the lower part, 5 in this case, and the band's representation and color on the upper part. On the sides there are some highlights about the band that we'll talk about them later in the video. This time round though, it's all written in English. Pulling the top cover and you get the band in the middle wrapped in a plastic bag just like the one from the Mi Band 4 unboxing. So let's unwrap it and place it aside to see the rest of the accessories included in the box. We don't get much other than a charging cable, and this time round it's a USB with a magnetic charger with 2 pins on the other end. It's quite smaller compared to the previous bands and I like it now because you don't have to struggle to remove the bands from the straps to charge it. Just place the charger closer to the band and it snaps, as easy as that. The last thing in the box is the manual and that's all you get. Pairing the band will also require you to get the Mi Fit app, and if you have another band connected to it, it will be deactivated first before connecting to the newer band. The procedure is just the same. You hit that plus sign and place your band closer to the phone for it to pair. If it doesn't show up, your battery might need a boost just like this one did, and pairing process is simple and fast compared to something like Wear OS. Once paired, you can now access most of the band's settings through the app, like it displays the current charge level and many more. You can also change watch faces directly from the app. It has a ton to choose from, though I didn't find any that I liked, so I opted in for the default one that actually looks kinda cool and minimal. The Mi Band 5 is made out of a hard plastic shell with rubber bands that actually feels good in the hand. It has a 1.1-inch OLED display that's about 15% larger compared to the Mi Band 4. It's a colorful and a sharp display at 126 by 294 pixels that gets bright to 450 nits. This is the black one, but you can still opt for other colors if you don't like this one. But if you want a minimal stealth look, then this is the one to go for. The Mi Band 5 can survive water up to 50 meters, so it's a bonus feature for those who swim and would like to track their swimming workouts. It also has a 24-hour heart rate monitoring and also stress monitoring capability. I've seen this feature on a Galaxy Active Watch, and having it in this compact cheaper band is a great deal. It also packs a ton of fitness tracking capabilities, like it can track your walks, runs, yoga and many more. This is something that I'll have to extensively test, so if you'd wanna see a full review, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it when it goes live. The Mi Band 5 can also track your sleep, and Xiaomi claims 14 days of battery life. However, I've only had it for a few days, so I can't judge on that, but overall it's a battery charm for most people. So should you get it? I mean, all these features in a compact budget band makes it a great deal for many, keeping in mind you'd get a lot out of it that you'd normally get in a more expensive watch. It goes for just over $30 on Amazon, but if you're in Kenya, you can get one for 4,300 Kenya shillings from Mi Store Kenya. All links to the product are below the like button, so go ahead and grab one because it's a little fitness tracker that doesn't break the bank. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hit that like button if you did, and watch out for a comparison video against the Mi Band 4. Anyway, until next time guys, goodbye and most of all stay safe.